Welcome to day 3 of our 2024 Island Princess Panama Canal cruise. Today is another sea day. Morning.
Morning.
Okay, well, what are we having for breakfast?
Pancakes with raisins and hash browns and tapioca pudding.
Hash browns. That's it?
Yep.
How's the pancake?
They're good.
I thought about it. I have two kinds of. You want one of my pastries? And then some fruit and cream cheese. Hello, what's up now?
Watching a lecture on Huatulco, Mexico.
It's one of the destinations, right? It's a destination.
Stop. No.
No, it's Puerto Vallarta. So there it is. Huatulco, Mexico.
Other side, right arm behind, holding on to the wrist, standing tall, children at the side. You have a big stretch down the side. Lovely! And then release. Morning. And then send your right arm in front, hook on. Then swing at it. Alright, I want you to tilt your head to the side, right arm up. Holding on to the head, don't pull, just use body weight, and then flex your left hand. So pull the shoulder down the way and feel a nice big stretch down the side of the neck.
We're in the Explorers Lounge and there's bingo going on. We didn't get our bingo tickets yesterday, so we're not joining.
Doing an amazing demonstration, but let's start
We're at
with
the Grand Plaza.
Yeah. So thank you guys. Ron, come
They're
here.
gonna do
Tell
some
us where
exhibition.
you're from. From Mumbai, India. And how long have you been working for Princess? 2 years. Wow. And how long have you been doing this? And stuff? 6 years. Oh, that's a lot. Are you ready to show us some?
Yeah.
Oh, put them together for Rafa.
Hello.
Hello.
What are we doing?
We're getting exercise today. We're on the upper deck,
Okay.
walking around in the bright sunshine.
Okay, let's go. It's nice weather.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not too hot. There's
No,
a
it's
breeze.
cool.
It's actually cool. Perfect for walking. And we're here at the movies under the stars, but they don't have any movies playing. So we're just gonna walk around the perimeter of deck. You wanna play any of these games? People are playing pickleball here in the back. And what is shuffleboard?
Shuffle.
How does that work?
Push the,
From there to the other thing here?
yeah.
Oh, and then there's giant chess, shuffleboard, pickleball, and here's shuffleboard. They're playing. It's lunchtime, and what are we having?
Onion rings, ratatouille, vegetable, and sweet potatoes.
That's it? That doesn't look like. We're gonna get some.
We're gonna
more.
have a dessert.
Okay. I'm having grilled tilapia, beef empanada, ward of salad, chicken ward of salad, beef something. It's like beef caldereta, but it's not consometa or something. And onion rings also. And a plum, of course, my favorite food. He's already eating dessert. What are you having?
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. How is it?
Very moist.
Very still good, huh? What I thought was a plum is actually a nectarine, and it's still pretty hard. It's not right. So I got a peach and 2 slices of watermelon. No dessert for me. That's it. Casino. Someone's probably the casino. Somebody is doing well.
You're still getting the glass.
Okay, live entertainment from the Piazza. It's pop and classical string something. This is what song is this? Do you know what song this is? Sounds like a Disney movie song. I will probably get copyrighted anyway. Let's stop. This is the captain's wine something. I don't know. We've never attended any of these because we don't drink wine. Yeah, it's the champagne something. 63. Is it called something waterfall? But they're gonna do this at 6:30.
Okay.
On the side.
Okay.
It's sold.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What did you order? Did you get the rum salad, fruit salad?
Yes.
And
Thank you.
you got the vegetarian meatballs, right?
Yeah.
Did you get a salad?
Yeah.
First course of the night, what are you having?
Tapioca with fruit.
I think it's a rum something.
Mhm.
There's rum in it. I know because I ordered the same thing and I've tried it. It's really good. It tastes more like a dessert than an appetizer. What is your second course?
My second course is gnocchi, potato dumplings.
Potato dumplings, gnocchi.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I'm having crab cake. Something crab cake. I forgot what the first word was. I haven't tasted it. Okay, main course?
Vegetarian meatballs.
Vegetarian meatballs, but it's Greek
Yeah.
vegetarian. And I have a red snapper, pan fried. It's
I bought
it's the black beans. I asked you what it is.
Okay.
Black bean. What is it? Sauce? What is the term that we're using?
Raga.
Oh yeah, ragout. The black bean ragout. Is that thing.
Yeah.
Dessert time. What did you order?
I have a
New York style cheesecake? No,
it's almond praline
turtle cheese.
turtle cheesecake.
Yes. And
crêpe Suzette.
with vanilla ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
He ordered 2 desserts, and I'm having a chocolate hazelnut bar or hazelnut chocolate bar with citrus sauce on the side. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
This is the moment
Well, you wanna rock and roll? Oh, you wanna go to bed?